What's up, YouTube? Let's go. Today, going to solder. Show you how to test your car relay, using your 9-volt battery. You heard that right. You can use 9-volt battery to test your car relay. Get your 2 extra wires. Thinner wire would be better. I don't know what the exact size of this one. This might be 8 gauge, 5 gauge. I don't know, man, to be honest with you. So get your wire stripper. You can tell I have the cheapest stripper right here, but yeah, this is what I got. Then this is what I'm going to use. There you go. Two wires here, ready to solder, right here. So here, connect this first wire to your positive terminal, and for your negative wire, connect to your negative terminal. It would give you more contact to the battery. So let me show this to you real quick. Let's try this one. There we go. Soldering iron. You would like to use your soldering flux as well to give you more bond, give you more soldering joints. It's more smoother soldering surface. So this would be your flux, soldering flux. You're gonna apply this. Oh, that's too much. It's alright. All right. So we're done with the first part. Perfect connection. Let's go to the next step. So this time we're going to put heat shrink as our insulator. The positive wire would be red insulator, and for our negative wire would be black insulator. This would give you protection to your terminals and wires. Using our heat gun. Yo, that's perfect. For our next step, we're going to strip the other end of these wires because we're going to use this end for our relay. How's that? Now everything is ready to check our control side of the relay, which is pin 86, 85. Get your positive terminal from your battery, connect that to your 86 on your relay, which is this one. Then connect your negative terminal to the pin 85 of the relay, and if you hear a clicking noise, it means the control side of the relay is working properly. There you go. Because the first side of the relay, which is the half side of the relay, is the control side, and the other half would be the switch side. So does it mean that your control side of the relay is working? Does it mean the whole relay is working? So you need to check both sides of the relay. So this is the easiest part, checking the control side of the relay. So that's the good way to start. This is your relay. The pin 85 and 86, that's your control side, and the pin 87 and 30 is your switch side. We're done checking the 85, 86. Now let's do the 87 and 30 using the digital multimeter, checking the continuity of the relay. That's how you identify your pins. That's your 85, 86 control side, and your 30, 87 your switch side. Now because there's no power, we're not using the 9 volt, it means Your switch side is connected to 87A. 30 and 87A is your close position. Without the power, it's actually 30 and 87A. That's your close position. Switch on 3087, switch off 3087A. There you go, got the idea. We already checked the control side of the relay, right? We heard the clicking, but it doesn't mean the relay is working. But it doesn't mean the relay is working. But it doesn't mean the relay is working. Going to use our DMM, digital multimeter. Check if there's a continuity. Use your battery terminals to activate your control side while you're holding your DMM terminals. It's kind of hard holding both terminals of your DMM while holding the battery terminals, right? So you need helping hands, or you need to ask somebody else to hold it for you. I don't have someone to hold it for me, so we will do the hard way. I have alligator clips right here that I'm going to use it as my helping hands, because no one will help me at this moment. So I found these alligator clips in my toolbox, and this would be enough to help me to hold those terminals. Get your positive wire from your battery, connect that to your pin 86. Start with pin 86. So I will get my alligator clip. Make sure the other end is not touching anything, because like what I said, the use of this is just to help me hold everything at the same time. All right, so we'll make it easy. We will try our best. All right, we're done with the pin 86. So next, connect your DMM. We will connect this red wire to our pin 30. That looks good. Not really, but we'll make it happen. Connect your black wire to your DMM. Alright, so half of our DMM is connected to the relay, and half of our battery is connected to the relay. So basically, we use the alligator clips to hold them in place. Get your negative terminal from your battery. Our alligator clip holding the pin 86. We will try it again. Alright. Now, to test our switch side, set your DMM to continuity. It's right here. It's right there. Alright. To activate your control side of the relay, then attach this to the switch side of the relay. We should see a continuity right here. See? Alright. We see some values from our DMM. It means we have continuity. Our relay switch side, control side, everything is working. Everything is working properly. There should be a sound and there should be a continuity. That's how you do it. This is all you need. DMM, digital multimeter, soldering kit. I have the cheapest soldering kit from Amazon, but I don't mind. I don't mind because you know, it's working. 9-volt battery instead of using your 12-volt battery from your core. Use a 9-volt battery to be safe, to test your relays and different stuff. So yeah, soldering iron, soldering wire, some terminals, wire stripper, soldering flux, heat gun for your heat shrink. That's your heat shrink. Yeah, that's all we got, you know? That's all we got. All of us learned today. Appreciate your time for watching this video. Please hit like and subscribe. Comment if you have a comment. Alright guys, I'll see you all later.